In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Typeform in Framer. We'll move step by step so you can follow along confidently and understand what each click is doing for your layout and your form. Start by opening your Framer project. Once you're in the canvas, we'll bring the Typeform embed into the page. Click Insert to open the component library. If you don't see it at first, click Insert again to reveal the full panel. From here, navigate to Forms, then go into Embeds. You'll see options for different kinds of form and content embeds, and we'll choose Typeform shortly. Before dropping anything on the canvas, take a quick tour of the key property panels so you know where to adjust behavior and layout later. Open the Interactions panel to see where you can add hover, tap, or load effects for the embed. Next, open Position. This is where you'll control constraints, pinning, and how the embed resizes with your frame or section. Click the highlighted controls within Position to preview the available pin and alignment options. Open Overlays to understand how your component can stack above other content when needed. Then check Cursor to choose how the pointer should appear when users hover over interactive areas. Move to Styles to adjust visual properties like background and borders so the embed matches your site's design system. Finally, open Transforms to access scale, rotation, and other fine-grained adjustments that can help with visual polish or micro-interactions. Clicking through these highlighted controls now will make styling the form faster once it's placed. With that context, return to the Insert library and select Typeform. Click to add it to your canvas, then size it to fit the frame or section where you want it to appear. If your page uses scrolling content, open Scroll section to see where you might place the embed so it feels natural within your page flow. If your project uses custom logic, open Code Overrides to locate where overrides live, useful for advanced behaviors like analytics events or conditional visibility. When everything looks right in the canvas and preview, it's time to share your work. Click Publish to push the changes live. After publishing, give the page a quick test in a new browser tab to confirm layout, scrolling, and interactions behave as expected. That's it. You've added a Typeform embed in Framer,